Good morning, good afternoon and good evening everyone. So today I got Redmi 9 and this mobile phone was launched in India with the name of Redmi 9 Prime. Both mobile phone have a same code name, that is Lancelot. So today I will flash the latest customized ROM that is called Remoded UI version 3.0 for Redmi 9 and Redmi 9 Prime. And we'll show how to flash this ROM on Redmi 9, and even you can flash this ROM if you are having a Redmi 9 Prime. Before starting the video, do not forget to subscribe my channel and also click or tap the bell icon, and do not forget to like the video. Thank you. Now, before starting the procedure, I would like to inform you that you must have an Unlock Bootloader of your mobile phone. How to do that? Tutorial video link is provided in my video description. You can watch that video. Unlock your mobile phone bootloader and then you can simply follow the steps. And one more thing, that Redmi 9 is having a MediaTek chipset. So this mobile phone can have an instant unlock bootloader also, and also that video link provided in my video description. You can watch that video, follow the tutorial. Instantly unlocking bootloader of Redmi 9 or Redmi 9 Prime can be done also. My mobile phone status is device is unlocked. Right now, check the battery should be charged to maximum like 40 to 50%, and then go to settings. In case you are using a Mi account, sync your Mi account once, then remove. In case you must be using a Google account, sync your Google account once, then remove. And go to password and security, turn off the lock screen password. And the important thing is to save all the internal storage data. This thing will format everything. This procedure will format everything. The last thing that I'm about to tell you, that your set must have Android version 12. Doesn't matter whatever MIUI version you have, but your set must be on Android version 12. Now you can simply power off the mobile phone if you have done all these things. Now I will move towards my computer screen. This is my downloaded folder and I have downloaded all the files, and links are provided in my video description. You can simply make a new folder and download these 3 files. After downloading everything, first of all you need to extract only the Redmi 9 TWRP recovery. This will be working also on Redmi 9 Prime. This TWRP will work on Android version 12. Extract it merged in same folder, then double click to open the extracted folder. I have created a batch files to make the thing easy for everyone. This folder having Android version 12 TWRP recovery and also VP Meta, which is also taken from the MIUI 13. Mobile phone must be power off. We need to boot the set into fast boot mode. For that, mobile phone must have an unlock bootloader. Then simply check the other side of data cable must be connected with computer. Press and hold the volume down key, then connect the cable with mobile phone. In few seconds, the mobile will boot into fast boot mode, then immediately release the volume down key. While the set is booted into fast boot mode, I have immediately released the volume down key. This is the fast boot screen. Set is connected already with my computer now. Coming back towards the computer screen. In extracted folder of TWRP, double click the flash 1 file. The recovery flashing will start and the window will auto close after when it is done. Then double click the flash 2 file. This also done, and then double click the flash 3 file. Immediately come to the mobile phone screen. Press and hold the volume up key until when you see the TWRP recovery screen, then immediately release the volume up key. This is the TWRP 3.4.2 beta for the Redmi 9 or Redmi 9 Prime for Android 12 only. When you see this screen, definitely you will see the internal storage pop up on your computer screen. But if you double click the internal storage, all the folders will not be in proper form, which means that the storage got encrypted. We have to decrypt the storage first. For that, come back to the mobile phone screen, tap wipe system partition, then tap format data, then type YES and tap here. After when it's done, then go back to the main screen and tap reboot, then tap recovery. and this time the internal storage will pop up once again on your computer screen. Double click the storage. Definitely you will see the TWRP folder, which means that storage is got decrypted and we can copy paste file on this storage. Coming back towards my downloaded folder, I will go back to my main downloaded folder and copy IMEI backup file and the RemodedUi 3.0 ROM file from the downloaded folder, and then paste both files on the internal storage of the Redmi 9 or Redmi 9 Prime. So when both files gets copied, then you can disconnect the cable from the mobile phone and we are done from the computer. Now come back towards the mobile phone screen. First of all, tap the settings over here, then tap to the third menu and check the screen timeout and brightness is full. Then go back to the main screen. Now tap wipe system partition, then tap advanced wipe, select Dalvik art cache, then select data, then select cache, then select system. That's all. These three partitions need to be selected, then swipe. Done. Go back to the main screen, then tap install firmware or patches. Tap, then select the IMEI backup file and swipe. What it will do, it will make a backup of the IMEI of your mobile phone. Definitely do this procedure, otherwise if something gets wrong, the mobile phone IMEI will get lost and the set will be in trouble. When it is done, then go back to the main screen, and sorry for that I have disconnected the cable. This time we need to connect the cable once again with the mobile phone to copy the IMEI backup file on computer. After connecting the cable, you will see the storage will pop up on your computer screen. Double click it on it and definitely you will see the IMEI backup folder and flashable IMEI backup file. This was the file that I have copied earlier to make a backup file. So no need to copy this one, but we have to copy the folder of IMEI backup and flashable IMEI backup file. Copy it from the internal storage. Either you want to cut it or copy. I will cut it and then I will go to my computer downloaded folder and I will paste both files over here. Nicely done. Then you can disconnect the cable once again from the mobile phone. And this time we are finally done from the computer. Now coming back towards the mobile phone once again, tap once again install firmware or patches, then select the RemodedUi 3.0 the ROM file by tapping on it and then swipe to start flashing. Now it will take a time, you just wait, just let this flashing complete, then we will continue. And when flashing gets completed, go back to the main screen. Must do this step, otherwise the ROM will not start booting. Go back to the main screen, then tap wipe system partition, then tap format data and type YES, then tap here. After when it is done, then tap reboot system. The mobile phone will stuck on this Mi logo for few seconds. It may take like 20, 25 or 30 seconds. Then after that, it will start booting to the ROM that we have flashed. And you can see that. Just wait for it now. The first boot will take a little bit time. MIUI 13 welcome screen appears on your mobile phone. Now complete the setup screen. So finally, ROM got booted and got flashed perfectly. So we are getting a black color wallpaper, and this is the new control center having a very good colors matching with the color background color. Let me see. Yes, we are getting Mi Dailer with this ROM, and if I go further to settings, yes, we are getting automatic call recording and manually call recording with this ROM, and also we are having MI SMS, the stock application with this ROM. We'll go to my mobile phone settings, then we'll go to my device, and this is the ROM details. This device officially supported RemodedUi, and this is what we are getting: Android version 12 the Android security update date, MIUI 13, the stable one. You can see that the global MI model baseband numbers must see the baseband version number below here, Molly, whatever it is. So this ROM will give you some features, that is remoded feature. If you tap on it, and definitely you will see the things over here which you cannot see in stock ROM. Well, after when you get flash this ROM, you can check it out whatever they are providing this ROM. ROM got flashed very perfectly, and a good ROM must check, must flash it, must try it, must check this ROM on your Redmi 9 or Redmi 9 Prime. Do not forget to like the video and take a good care of yourself. We'll see you in my next video. Until then, goodbye.